Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Construct an Icon, I'm going to talk about a plugin that I get a lot of questions about, and this is one that you might not ever use. Let's talk about it. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now let's take a look at Construct an Icon. Construct an Icon can be found within your plugin manager, and you can find that by going to Plugins, Manage Plugins, or if it's on your toolbar, click on your toolbar icon. Construct an Icon is a default plugin, and it will be available on everyone's system. This is not a plugin that needs to be enabled. It is a plugin that you would call upon directly if needed, and you would do that by going to Edit Plugins. So I'm going to go to Plugins, Edit Python Code, and now I can choose Construct Icon and choose Run. And the Build Icon window comes up. And this is the window that we use when we're making plugins in order to create icons. And you'll see that all of the icons typically found within Eclipse are available here, but also you see that there are icon elements. And we use these elements in layers to create icons. And if you're going to create a custom plugin, and you want to create a custom icon to go with it, you can use the same tactic. You can select any icon option. You can choose what color that option is. If you click on this top drop-down window, you can choose various icon add-ons that you might want to add, such as a check mark. And now you see that the text here has changed. We see the square, the color that has been applied to it. This circle represents the round space around the circular checkbox, and then we have the circular checkbox and the color applied to it. If I want to remove something, then I can backspace each element to get back to where I started. And so you can choose icons and layer them on top of one another and add as many icons or add-ons onto the icon as necessary. Now, most users won't ever use this functionality. However, if you're building your own custom plugins, then this is something you're going to want to familiarize yourself with so that you can build recognizable plugin buttons for yourself or your firm or whoever you may be building plugins for. It can take a little bit of getting used to construct exactly the icon that you want, but once it's been constructed, you can take this text and copy it and place it into your plugin code in order to create the icon. So again, you may never use this icon, but it will be on your system since it's required by the plugin system generally. So if you've ever wondered what Construct Icon is for, that's exactly what it is, so that you can build an icon if you're making your own custom plugins. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video. Keep an eye on your notifications for new videos published every week. Thanks and have a great day.